If you are using ChatGPT regularly and still not seeing the impact in your work, then probably you are using these five mistakes and you don't even realize it. In this video, I'll show you these common mistakes that professional makes, and I will show you how you can fix them immediately. Most people say ChatGPT is useful, but it is not that powerful. The problem is not with the AI or LLM for that matter. The problem is how you are using it. Mistake number one is vague prompt. People give very vague prompts, and there is no context involved. And for example, they will say write email or summarize this text or write a blog on this topic ABC. These are not understandable by the AI because you are not giving any context. So you have to define clearly. You have to say what is the task, what is the context, what is the style or tone that you want LLM to make your content for. If you provide these common ingredients in your LLM, you will get finer output. And if you reframe the same prompt, you can say write a professional email to the client informing about the delay, keep the tone as professional and reassuring. If you provide these kind of output, LLM will understand what exactly you want, what is your background and what you are looking for, and based on that it will give you the quality response and the powerful in your particular use case. Mistake number two is no context. You are not telling anything about yourself or what task that you want LLM. You are just asking directly about the task. For example, you will say give me the idea. LLM don't know what is your background, what is your experience, what is the output that you are looking for. So this is how you can add the context, and this is add the quality to your prompt. Instead of saying give me the idea, say I am a project manager working on X. Give me an ideas to improve the team productivity. And you will see that by this small context that you are giving to LLM is smart enough and it will understand what exactly you are looking for, and it will give you the very quality and powerful output. Mistake number three is one shot usage. You are giving the prompt, LLM is giving you the response, and you are using as it is. That's not the power is. You reiterate it based on your experience, you reiterate it, challenge the response until unless you are satisfied with the response. And this is where the real power is. You can ask to keep it in the bullet points. At the risk, the action points are missing. This is where you are challenging the AI, and AI will think more and give you the more powerful response. And mistake number four is blind trust. Because you are thinking that AI is giving me the response, so it must be true. That's dangerous. Never ever give control to AI. AI is your assistant. Final decision maker is you. So whenever the AI is giving you the output, challenge it, give your experience, find the judgment, and never accept as it is. Mistake number five finally is hopping tools. New trend, new app, new tools. It is exciting to use the new things, but it is not productive. So, my suggestion is always master the workflow with one tool. If you are not satisfied, then only shift to another tool, because all the tools in the market are more or less similar in nature and if giving the output. It is only that you should be the mastering in your workflow and get that quality output, because depth is greater than the tool. If you avoid these five mistakes, your results will improve immediately. The difference is the random usage and structured usage. Always follow a structured process, a structured usage of when you are working with the AI. If you want to go deeper and understand how the LLM works and how you can use it in your daily work, I run a free masterclass every Sunday. Join that masterclass and I will show you how you can use this in different use cases, and that will improve your productivity. Link is there in the description. Now tell me in the comment which mistakes you do, because this is where you need to improve.